She's beautiful, she's intelligent, and yes, she is a woman.
She is like water, soft enough to offer life, tough enough to drown away.
Perceive Me as a Person, Not a Female Season 2. We are coming on 27 September 2016 at NASCAR.